So my forks are leaking. I don't know if you can see that, but I wiped off the fluid. There's still fluid like here and there. So I'm going to use this, where is it? Got it in here. Got a Sealmate. See if this works. First I'm gonna take off this dust cover right here. Oh, there we go. Got it. Got the dust cover off. A little wet in there. Shouldn't have put this on the floor. Now there's sand in it. This doesn't look that bad. I think it might just be blown. I don't think this will work, but I'm gonna give it a try because I was popping wheelies. And with this bike, you got to take off the traction control every single time you get on the bike, or else if you pop a wheelie with the traction control on, it senses that the front tire is not on the ground, and then it'll slam you back down. It just cuts off the power no matter what. That's one thing I do not like about traction control. Well, at least on this Honda. I've ridden other bikes where it doesn't slam you down. Actually, you can go up a little bit, but if you go too far, then it slams you down. So I don't know how far off the ground. Maybe I'm thinking like this much off the ground, and then if you go more than that, it slams you back down. So I'm just gonna clean in there. I'm gonna use this now, stick it in there. Ooh, goes in there easy. Put this all the way down. Come on. It'd be easier if I take this little tire cover off, but I don't really want to. It's like 30 bolts on each side. I just don't want to do it extra work. Probably get better results if I did it, because this would be easier. But I don't know, I'm gonna be lazy. Let's see, yeah, pretty clean. I know. Huh, yeah, not bad. I don't know why it's looking like crazy. Let's give it a little pump. I'll stick a flashlight in there. See what it looks like. I wish I could show you guys. It doesn't look bad. See, is there anything in here? Is it dirty? I've seen videos of other people doing it, and like theirs is like super nasty. Oh, see, I got a couple little rocks in there. I kind of did that. Definitely want to take that out. Shake this out. Yeah, I don't want to leave. I've been leaving this on the ground, and it's getting all these little rocks. Gotta make sure my hands are clean. My other side's not leaking. But I might consider stop doing wheelies with this bike. Or I'm thinking maybe I change the settings. Maybe make it harder or softer. I don't know. What is this? I think this is rebound. Yeah, rebound. They have tension and compression up top. I'll stick this in one more time. I'm gonna try this side now. See if I can go higher. Nope, that's all I can go. This is hard to get around. Bit of a tricky job. Yeah, it does not look bad at all. This bike's a 2017, so just a little wet. Still got fluid coming out. Let's see, maybe it stops now. It's getting better and better. Alright, I'm gonna put this baby back on. Look in here one more time. One is off. Let's see, is there anything in there? Actually, yeah, there is shit in there. Maybe I could stick this in there and get it out. And put it back on.